One cafe in Canada is asking people to do the unthinkable, to talk to each other.
What?
Yes, to actually talk to each other. If you ask architect Julien Thomas, the answer is yes, we must do that. Thomas designed Faraday Café in Vancouver, whose walls block all cell phone service once you step inside, forcing people to actually have face-to-face conversations, Jessica.
Just talk to you like, hey,
Jessica.
how you doing? How you doing? Oh, that's
What'd you say? I'm too busy being on my phone, huh? What was the story? I was checking my Twitter.
Diners actually get
what's
to
going on?
enjoy each other's conversation as opposed to
Who
hanging
does
out
that?
with these two all morning who don't say
Weird.
anything. They stay on their cell phones.
Speaking of, I'm gonna check my
I'm gonna
Facebook
tweet
feed.
that.
Great.
You know what? I'm gonna tweet that. What's the hashtag for
Have a
that?
conversation.
Who does that, right?